Hello guys, in today's video we'll be looking at significant figures. Significant figures refers to the number of digits in a number. This actually excludes zeros holding places at the end of a number or at the beginning of a number to the right of the decimal point. Based on our definition, let us go ahead and solve these examples. In the first example, we have 31,223. These numbers or these digits are all significant. All right, so if we want to write this in three significant figures, it means that we are going to move from left to right. This is our first significant figure, second, and then third. So this new value is going to be 3, 1, 2, 0, 0. Significant. This is to three significant figures. Now, one may ask, why did we add 0, 0 or why did we replace the 2, 3 by 0, 0? We did so because we know that these zeros are not significant based on our definition. And also, they help us to be able to keep the place values of these digits intact. For example, this 3 is still in 10,000, the 1 is in 1,000, and then the 2 is in hundreds. So that is why we are keeping the zeros. Now, with the second example, the same idea applies. So our first significant value, second, third, and fourth, but we'll end on the third one. So this becomes 2, 0, 5, 0. This is the third significant figure, but after the third significant figure, there is a value which is greater than 4, which is 8. So we need to pick one value from it and add it to the previous, which will become 2050. This 8 has been replaced by 0. All right. In our third example, our first significant value is 3, second is 8, the third is 4, in that order. So if we want to write this in three significant figures, this would become 38.5. Now, the value after the 4 is greater than 4, just as I said earlier in the second example. So we will pick 1 from the 7 and add it to the 4, becomes 5. Now, after this point, we don't need to add the zeros because it will not make any difference. It will never make any difference. So we'll leave it as 0.5. So 38.474 to three significant figures becomes 38.5. All right. The next example is 0.0049551. Based on our definition, once again, the first three zeros in front, the 3 zeros in front are not significant. So our first significant value is 4, second is 9, third is 5, in that order. So in order to express this value in 3 significant figures, this will become 0.00496. This is because the value after this 5 is more than 4, which is 5. So you pick one from it and add it to the previous. This will become 0.00496. In our last example, we have 63,429.71, and we want to express this in 3 significant figures. Just as we did in the first example, this would also be the same thing. So first significant value or figure, second, third, in that order. So this will become 6, 3, 4. The values of 2 and 9 will be replaced by 0, 0. There is no need for me to include 0.00, because even if I do that, it will not change the nature of our answer. So this is how you would normally have to express these digits in 3 significant figures. I hope this helps.